everyone, welcome back to the lab. Today we are learning to write the letter K in cursive handwriting. So first of all we're going to trace it. Now, like I always say, if you haven't got one to trace, just try and copy what I do. It can be a bit tricky when we write the letter K. It's a bit swirly, so we're just going to do the best that we can. So the next thing we're going to do is copy it. So you go up, then down again, but then we're going back up, but not all the way up. Going to go around and almost draw a circle, then down and flick. When you've done that, you're going to cover it up, have a go at writing it from memory. So it's up, down, up and around, and flick. Finally, you pop your pen in the start position, close those eyes, and have a go. That one's not too bad. Now, keep practicing that until it gets easier. It might be that you need your grown-up to write it and you to trace it a few times, and that is fine. When it does start to get easier, then you're going to have a go at writing it on a line. Now K goes into the upper zone, and that means that it stretches, the stick of the K stretches all the way from the bottom up to this top line here. So I'll show you what I mean. So we start off, we go up all the way to the top, down, then up to the top of this middle zone area, and we go round and flick. Let's try that again. Up, down, back up to the top of the middle zone, round and flick. Up, down, back to the middle zone and flick. Up, how did you get on with that one when I wasn't saying the prompts? Did you do okay? Just keep going. It might feel a bit tricky now, but don't worry, it will get easier. Our hands and our brain are magical, and they learn things through practicing them. So if you keep practicing them, this will soon become automatic, and it will feel so easy that you'll forget that you found it hard. So I'm nearly at the end of the line. I'm going to hold my page here because otherwise it's going to slip across the table, which is never very good. There we go. Now, once you've done a full line of Ks, it's your turn to be the teacher. You're going to have a look, see which one you think is the best, and you're going to tick it. Now, I know when my mum watches these, she always picks a different one to me. I'm going to look really carefully, and I think that my best one is, I'm going to tick this one. Have you ticked yours? Yes? Brilliant. One more thing I want to show you that you could do if you start to find this a bit easier, or should I say when you start to find this a bit easier, you're going to have a go at saying the letter sound and the letter name at the same time as you write it. So you're going to do K is K, K is K, K is K. And you can keep doing that until you get to the end of the line. But the other thing I want to show you, and this is something that the boys and girls that I work with, I find that a lot of them make this mistake when they're doing this letter. So they'll do this, and then they'll go down, But then they'll go right back up to the top and do this. What letter does that look like? Do you know? Yeah, it looks like a capital R. So just make sure that when you do this round bit here, it only goes halfway up. So it just goes to the top of that middle zone area. And then your K will look like a K. And you're not going to have someone looking at your writing getting confused about what you've written. Right, over to you. It's time for you to practice writing that letter K. So have a go, do a little bit every day. Even if you just do a line of them, that's perfect. Then, in no time, you will be a K writing superstar. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again next week. Bye.